Welcome. If you want to connect AirPods Pro to your SHARP Aquos R2, at the first you have to open the settings, then move to the connected devices. Right now, let's go for the connection preferences, then tap on the Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth, and then open charging case of your AirPods and click to pair new device. And here we got the AirPods Pro, so simply tap on them and click to pair. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, they are connected right now because the lightning changed in the green color, so let's try to input them to the ear. Let's go back, and as you can see right now, when we go back in the available media devices, we got here our AirPods Pro. So right now we are able to use them with our SHARP Aquos R2. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.